Good evening. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Dinner meal po natin, simple and easy to cook. Yan po ay ang sardines with cucumber and malunggay leaves. Ayan, ginisa po natin. At syempre, ayan o, may panghimagas tayong fish crackers. Ayan, plain rice. Yan po ang ating dinner meal for tonight. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. And good evening. Have a nice evening sa lahat. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel na Tantalizing Eyes. Maraming salamat and have a nice evening sa lahat. Ayan, sarap lasap ng ating simple ulam ngayong gabing to. Ayan, subukan nyo rin po, siguradong magugustuhan nyo. Ayan, dahil sa cucumber at bawang sibuyas, ayan, kakaiba ang sarap ng ating sardinas na ginisa. Ayan, sarap po. Kakatakam. Yummy, so yummy. So guys, kain mo tayo. At syempre po, mayroon po tayong juice. Ayan, lemon juice with cucumber. Ayan, ayan, sarap ng ating dinner.